guys, we just finished our pop. I really need to pee now, so let's do it quickly. That's what happens when you drink 1 liter of water while pumping. So when you're done, you really need to pee very fast. Wait, guys, wait. I'm back. Let's get our milk bottles. Guys, I'm so haggard today. Look at my eyes because I wore mascara yesterday. So I don't have eyelash extensions anymore. I need to get them done because I feel so haggard lately. Anyway, do you guys like my new pumping setup? I'm on top of my milk fridge, so there's natural light. Do you guys like the natural light looking videos or with the gloomy bedroom background? I'm just trying to explore to make different varieties of videos. Anyway, oopsies, we spilled a lot. Oop. This is what I don't like about the S12 Pro cups. I always spill. Earlier when I was pumping, I usually use a 19mm flange insert for my left side, but this morning it felt very loose, so mid-pump I switched to the 18mm and it worked so well. That's why, guys, you really need to experiment. You always have to try different cup size and make sure that it's getting milk out correctly. Yeah, so every day is a different size as an elastic girl. Oops.